Over. Hello. My voice is audible? Hello, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking something. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Where are other students? Mahesh? Only I'm finding 38, 37 are there. Chalo, what was in last lecture? Hello.
IC85.
IC 80851. 8051. Pin diagram, it's a description.
Yes, sir.
So how many pins are there for the IC 8051?
40 pin.
40 pins are there. And out of that, which are the control pins? Which are the control pins in that? Will tell me which are the control points in that. It's too easy. How many ports are there? Gayatri, Joshi. Joshi Gayatri is there?
Yes, sir.
How many ports are there in 8051? Gayatri, I'm asking something. If you don't know, you should say that I don't know, sir. Joshi.
Yes, sir.
What I'm asking. How many ports are there for 8051? This simple MCQ question. Very easy.
4 ports, sir.
4 ports are there. Okay. So what are the pins for the port 1? And where is the location of that? How many pins are there for that, and starting pin number and ending pin number? सांगताय port 1 कुठं आहे IC च्या? Means just you are coming here to just for making the attendance, not for getting the things or learning the things.
Left side, port 1.
Left side, at the left side on the top side. And which is the pin number of IC? Have you taken the notebook or not, Gayatri?
Yes, sir.
It seems that you have not taken and you are searching him somewhere. If you have taken it, just look in that. If you are not prepared, look in that notebook and tell if here is a location. Akanksha Jadhav.
Sir.
What was the question? Just tell the answer for that. Akanksha. See the thing, students. The subject MC is important and you have to prepare every day what we have seen. And very few students have submitted the assignment number 1. I told to upload the PDF file only of size less than 10 MB. And within the 2 days, I told to submit. But very few students have submitted an assignment up till now. What about other students? Why not submitted assignment 1? So that part will later we'll see that. We'll get the less marks on that, no issue. Akanksha, what was the question? Jadhav, Akanksha. Akanksha, are you there? If she is not replying, I'll remove her from the class. We should not waste our time here now, hereafter. Patil Aditi, roll number 15.
Yes, sir.
What was the question? My question, previous question. How many pins are there for port 1? And what is the pin number for the IC, starting from where and ending where?
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
I'm not here to listen this answer. Sorry, sir. What is the problem? Have you taken the notebook?
Yes, sir.
Then,
Previous lecture, sir, I was absent for the lecture.
no, if you are absent, you should take it from your friend's notebook. That means you have to complete anyhow.
Yes.
What was the problem? Why you were absent from last lecture?
Sir, my health condition is not good.
Attending lecture also it is required.
Yes, sir.
No, for attending lecture also it is, what is the problem? It is required to come physically in the college, just starting the mobile and just listening the lecture. What is the issue in that? Or you were admitted in the hospital?
Yes, sir.
So today you complete notebook and send me the screenshot of that. Who will tell me? Chalo,
Yes, sir.
willingly. What is the IC number and what is the location? Kaun sangta hai? It's too easy. I told last time also. Starting from the left side at the top side of that, it is there. Pin number 1 to pin number 8, it becomes port 1. It's easy. Port 1.0, port 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 7, like that. We talk about that up to the pin 1 to 8. It becomes port 1. Then pin number 9 only, it is a reset pin, and then we have the starting with the port 3. P 3.0, P 3.0, then 3.1, like that, up to 3.7. Means pin number 10 to pin number 17. That is for the port 3. I'll share the screen so it's easy for you people to understand. Screen is visible. See here, logic I told last time also. We have the port 1 on the left side. All number ports are on the left side. Port 1, port 3. Okay. So starting the pin number 1 to 8, it is for the port 1, 1.0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. It's easy. Common logic is there in that. Starting the first pin, pin number 1. How many pins are there? 8 pins. 0 to 7 means 8 pins, up to 8 number. Then 9 number only reset. And then pin 10 to 17. It is for the port 3. 3.0 to 3.7. And after that, 18 and 19, last time I also told, it's for the crystal oscillator pin connection. 20 number pin, ground pin. And the port 3, 10 to 17, it acts as a port 3 as well as it is some interrupt signal pins are there and controlling signals. RXD, TXD, INT0, INT1, TI, T1, timer 0, timer 1, interrupts. Okay, and the read bar and the write bar. Coming on the right side, if you talk about on the top side, starting with the port 0, P0.0 to the P1.0, 7 from the 39 pin number. Port is for the VCC. So 39 from the 32 pin number 32 to the pin number 39, it is for the port 0. And I told that port 0 is a multifunctional. It acts as an input port as well as it is a lower address data in the address bus. 80 to 87. Then pin number 29, 30, 31 are again for the control purpose. Programs to enable ALE and the external EA bar. And remaining bottom pins from 21 to 28 pins for the port 2. So 2.0 from bottom side coming toward the upper side, that is 2.7. And this port 2 act as again multifunctional. So always I told that how MCQ is asking. The port 0, if simple example, port 2 act as a bidirectional input output port as well as dash dash address bus, lower, higher with the pin number like that. So looking to this, you should be able to tell the answer of that. Okay. So like this MCQ question is asking on that. In case of the port 2 or port 0 also, it will ask like this. Or in the simple example, port 3, pin number port 3.3 act as dash dash from the following option. It may be TI, T0, T1, INT1, INT0. So you need to select the correct option or reverse way. The ALE pin, address slash enable pin in the 8051, the following pin is assigned for to that pin number 29 options, pin number 29, 30, 31, 32. So you have to select the correct option. So this pinout diagram you should by heart mug up, or logic is I told that you have to remember anyhow. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
So most probably MCQ is asking on this only. So try to understand that. Okay. So after that, we have discussed about all these pinouts and how that act as the input output and what are the other multifunctional pins for that. Okay. So after that, we'll go with the IO ports. So how they pin act as the input port, output port. That we'll see that. So write down next point in this chapter 2. Input output ports. Input output ports. Write down. That. So you can see that when the port acts as the input, how the pins can be read out, what is the data available in the output pin. Jadhav, Akanksha. Akanksha? Hello? Jadhav, Akanksha, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So why not reply to the question and answer?
Sir, network issue.
This is not. 2 years we are going for online classes and all this thing. When I'm asking the question, immediately network is lost. I already told that be in the proper range, be in the network.
Okay, sir.
सरांनी क्वेश्चन विचारला का नेटवर्क जात हे होते काय लहान मुलं आहेत तुम्ही आता इंजिनिअरिंगचे आणि तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारून माझा ह्यात काय फायदा आहे का आय एम आस्किंग क्वेश्चन टू यू मीन्स व्हाट इज फॉर बेनिफिट फॉर यू ओनली this is for all the students. I am asking question means what? Just I am recalling what you understand, what you learn from that. Okay. If you're giving answer that is good, that is appreciated, you will get the good marks. If not giving answer means what? You are making your loss. Okay, try to understand this thing. So we are discussing about the input output port in the 8051. Total 4 ports are there and that act as input as well as output. To configure the input port, internally it has the latch, port latch. If you talk about architecture diagram, we have seen that internal latch is there, 8-bit latch, and it has internally some drivers are there. That is called as a FETs or MOSFETs are used for the as a driver. Okay, so except port 0, important point, MCQ. Except port 0, all the ports internal has the pull-up resistors. Except port 0. Port 0 required to connect externally. Why it is required external connection? We'll see that while discussing about the port 0 itself. Okay, so to become port is the input, how that can be configured, diagram is shown here. This acts as input port and data can be read from the output pin at the port, any port to the internal to the IC, and data going through the latch and all these things is shown here. Okay, and if you configure the port as output, this data 0 pin at certain port is written, that can how it is sent at the output side. Okay, and this port will be this port will be on, and that time the data will be go. Okay, so how that this pet will be on and the signal goes ground when we go for the particular diagram, we'll see that. Okay, so means what, when we want to access the port as output, that port one becomes 0, means on that port we have to send the data first 000, then only that port will act as a output port, and to become that port as the input, we have to send the signal high level on that port, then only that port becomes as an input. Means simple command we have to use here, I will tell that part also. Move certain port, I will take the port 0, port 0 comma 0 FFH. This is for what? To make that port becomes input. Okay, to make the port 0 becomes input, that funda is applied here. Okay, and to make that port is output, I'll minimize this font. Okay, same thing I'll copy here and I'll paste. How to make that port output? We have to upload the 00 on that port, then this port will be exactly output. This is thing required. This is MCQ asking on this also. Try to understand. To make certain port 0 as input, we have to use the command move port 0 comma 0 FF. FF means what? All the pins are high. 8 bits are there. 5 zeros inserted here. I'll tell you that becomes this is not a character. This is alpha. Hex values are there. That's why the 0 becomes indicated. It's a hexadecimal values. Okay. If 0 is removed, that going to understand that it become characters. F is a character like that, or alpha values. Sending FF means that become port as an input, and sending 00 means what? That port can be configured as an output. This is from that this diagram. Have you understood this? How to make that output, how to make as an input? Clear? Hello?
Sir, repeat correct.
Don't look in the diagram, just understand the instruction. If you want to use any port, either port 1, 2, 3, 3 and the 0 to become as output, on that port pin we have to send the data 00. Getting 00 means what? If we talk about this becomes FF means what? All ones, 8 times 1. Is it 8 times 7 times and one more 8 times, and this is exactly equal to what? 8 times 0. Okay, 4 and one more 4 zeros on the port. Clear? Means if you want to configure port 0 as input, on that port we have to send the data high level, means 8 times all pins 8, means port 0.0, port 0.1, all the pins must be 1111, then only that port act as an input, and to configure it as output we have to send the data 0 on that port, then only that becomes output port. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just take this somewhere, and how to make that input output, this is the instruction used for that. Write down below that MCQ, write down side right lamana MCQ. to make the port as input, to make the port as any port, to make any port as an input, send high level signal on that. I'm saying any port or a port pin also, P0.0 also, that way. To make any port as the input, send high level signal. High means what? 1. And to make as the output port, and to make as output port, send low level signal on the port. Send low level signal on the port. Done? Done, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll see exactly how to make it input, how to make it output, how to write data high level, low level, read the data from the port with the help of the diagram. Write down first to make port 1 as an input port. Right, for the port 1 in that first condition as an input port. And draw this diagram. This is diagram is for that. What we are discussing about? We are discussing about the port 1 in that A part as an input port. Means port 1 can be used as a input port. And you should ask in the previous case to make as the input why to write high, why not low, and to make as output why low, why not high. The reason is here. We'll see it's a diagram. I will tell here only. If you're not asking question, I'll clear that here only. Have you down to this diagram? TB1 is called as a tri-state buffer 1, tri-state buffer 2. And here is a FATE, or we can say a MOSFET M1. And this is external port pin. And what is port pin? P1.X, P1.2, 3, 4, like that, up to 7. Any port pin, P1.0 to P1.7. And in this case, we are reading the data from the port. As the input port means what? We are reading the data or writing on the data on that pin. Diagram is over. Hello. This diagram is over.
No, sir.
Make it fast. And this is the internal structure at the port 1 pin. This port, if I talk about IC number, pin number of IC 8051, P 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 to 1.7. All the particular pins, it has internal like this. It has the latch. Latch means what? The flip-flop act as a latch and some controlling signals. Read latch, read pin, and the right latch, right to the latch, an internal bus. Just tell me once diagram is over. Huh? Over.
Yes, sir, over.
Okay. Now try to look at the presentation only. As you said that I want to make the port 1 as a input port. I'm using instruction move P1, 00F, sorry, 0FFH. Means I'm sending the high level signal on that pin. Okay, that's why initially we have to write the high level signal on the port pins. Which port pin? Write to latch. Here, internal bus, internal CPU bus, that is data bus, we have to send the high level signal. Okay, then only we can read the data what is coming as on the input port. Input means what? That P1.x, P1.0123, any pin act as an input, means I'm taking the data in, means I'm reading that pin. When the port pin act as an input, we're reading the what is the data available on that port or port pin. Here indicates P1.x, any generalized example, x indicates 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, up to 7. Okay, now see, as I'm sending the internal bus, CPU bus has a high level signal. That's why that D is equal to 1. And we know that in the D flip flop, after the delay of 1 bit, that becomes when the high level signal will be there, the output Q equal to always high after giving the clock of that 1 bit time interval. What is the things? Okay, means as internal CPU bus, I'm writing high. D is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1. That comes to the tri-bus tri-state buffer 2, and that will read by the latch. Okay, it doesn't matter to us. After Q is 1, Q bar is equal to low. It becomes high means what? By default complement signal, Q bar will be 0. At that becomes 0. That 0 signal is connected to the gate of the MOSFET. As this gate of MOSFET becomes 0, what happens? Whether this MOSFET will be on or off?
Off.
It will be off. Off means what? The signal goes to this pin only. Okay, means what? What is signal species applied? It is not coming on this ground side because it is off. The signal will be this only. Means this data what is available here, this port, it comes from external pin 1.x means 1.0. Directly line is connected to the this signal come to the read pin. Means status buffer 1 through the read pin only. Means this controller internal reading the what is the data available on the port 1.x. Clear? कळला आता सर्वांना? And if, as we said that, if the port 1.x I'm not sending the high level signal, if I send the 0 level signal, काय होईल यामध्ये? If I'm sending the 0 on this pin, on the port pin while sending that, this 0 means what? This 0, Q will be 0. As Q0, Q bar must be high. As Q bar is high, means the FET is on. FET on means what? What is VCC is coming? It goes to the ground side. At the same time, what is signal is available? It comes to the this internal FET, drain terminal of the FET, MOSFET, and come to the ground side. The signal will not come to the read pin here. Clear? That's why to make the port, any port as an input, we need to send the high level signal only from the inside to the port. Then only will read the signal what is available on the port and will read the at the read pin of the control available. Is it clear? कळलं आता सर्वांना? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means we'll go to previous slide here. So why we're writing high in any port, port 0, port 1, high level signal. Have you understood now? हाँ, दोन केले की मी बसलो ठीक. Hello, is it clear now? By sending the high level signal, not 0, while reading the port, to make input port and read the port, I'm sending high level signal, not 0. If I send the 0, what happens? Data is not coming to the read pin. This is a requirement. That's why, as I told that, first condition, send the high level signal on the port to become as a input port. Okay, is it okay? Understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So everyone, it is understood. Mahesh, boys also can reply.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So below that, write down. I will tell. Don't take this part. I will tell here. Write down below that. As written in the first condition as the input port. Write below that. Operation. Send the high level signal on the internal CPU bus. Send high level signal on the internal CPU bus so that D equal to 1. D means this is latch of the port 1.x. Okay, as a D equal to 1, below that Q equal to also 1. Q1 means in bracket you can write high level signal is coming on that, comma, as a D equal to 1, Q also equal to 1, in bracket is high. Same time Q bar is equal to low. Simple logic, na? Q is high means Q bar is equal to low. Full stop. Next line. As Q bar is equal to low signal, as Q bar is equal to low signal, as Q bar is equal to low signal, connected to the gate of the MOSFET, connected to the gate of MOSFET, connected gate of the MOSFET M1, and which makes gate off, full stop. Next line, as gate is off, what is the data available on the port 1.x pin? As gate is off, what is data available on the port 1.x pin is directly read by the read pin, is directly read by the port pin, read pin. What is data available on the port 1.x pin is directly read by read pin, and that becomes act as input port, and it acts as a input port. Done? Hello, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you write the 0 here, what happens? We have seen we are not able to make this port 1.x as the input. That's why I'm sending 1 only. You should remember for the 0 also. I'm sending 0 here. Q is 0, Q bar 1. Q bar 1 means MOSFET is on. and I'm not able to read the data on the port. So to make this port as input, must send the high level signal. This is asking in the external exam oral why we are sending high level signal, not 0, to make as a input port. Chalo, we'll go to next slide, and then second condition, write down B to make port as a output port. To make port as a output port, and I'm writing 0 on the port. Making output means what? I'm writing something on the port. I'm sending data on the outside. That is meaning of output. Input means taking inside. So diagram is very same previous port only. So I'll explain here. You draw it afterwards. Write down first port 1 as output port. B condition in that previously is in the input port. A condition. Now B condition. Okay, to make the port output, we know that what are writing and sending the 0 signal on the port, then only that port becomes output port. So to send 0 on that, internally in the CPU bus, I'm sending the 0 signal on the latch, to the latch. So as it internally is connected to the D of the latch, so D is equal to 0, key equal to 0. As key is 0, Q bar must be high level signal. Okay, as Q bar is high, that is connected to the MOSFET M1. That Q bar is equal to high signal makes the MOSFET to be on. As MOSFET is on, the whole signal efficiency goes to the ground level. Okay, and what is signal available on that pin? As this is on, no VC is coming to this side. Means this signal becomes to the connected to the ground pin only. Okay, as ground means what? Signal voltage 0. Okay, means I'm writing 0 to the port pin 1.x, 1.2, something that. Clear? To make port 1 as output and writing 0 on the port pin. So I written the 0 on the port pin here. Easy logic, easy thing is there. कळलं का परत सांगू मी हे? हॅलो, hello, have you understood this or not? Hello, my voice is audible? Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
what? Yes sir, have you understood or not? I'm asking that.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Huh? Hello, boys मध्ये काहीतरी म्हटलं कोणी? रिपीट करू द्या का? But not required. Hello.
Not required, sir.
Okay, simple thing is just writing 0 on the D. D0 Q is 0, so it makes Q bar high, means gate is on. As gate is on internally of that pin IC, that the signal available on the port will be ground level signal, means 0. That's why that port becomes as output. At the same time, I'm writing 0 on that. Okay, this is the case for that. So you have some session along with the CC. So we'll stop it here after this part. So what was the missing diagram and the explanation of this? You can take it or write down, or otherwise take the screenshot of this and you complete it. Port 1 as output and the writing 0 on that. And today only everyone should upload the assignment first on the given link provided. Okay. Have you taken the screenshot of that?
Yes, sir.
Complete this task, everyone. So just a minute, I will take the attendance very fast. Why roll number not order in sequence? I told to use that format, same format, no? So one is there. Omkar Jingade. Change yourself with roll number properly. Ask your CC2 what is number. 1, 2, 3 is absent.
Yes, sir. 52.
So put accordingly your that change your profile name as per that only. Today is 18, 10, 12 to 1. 3 is absent, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 8 is absent, 3, 8 absent, 9 is there, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 is absent, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 is absent. Just see who is absent. 35, 36, 37, 38, 38 is absent. Just tell me one is missing. 39, 40 absent, 42, 42 absent. 43 is there, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 is absent. And then we have the 51. And Omkar Jingade 52. Okay. Done. So you can stop it here. You can go with the